Morning, Math. Thanks for requesting this document here for me to make a video of. Great idea. All right, so here we have the 3 in the ones place for 3%. And I'm going to color code what I do to change it into a decimal in blue. And green is going to be the color code for percent. We'll go in the opposite direction. So I'm going to draw an arrow, and notice that I always go two place values, and I'm going to put the 3 right here. But because there is a space here, and this is not 3/10, we have to put a 0 here in the tens place. This is 3/100. Okay, so the answer to this is 3/100. So we can put a 0 here if we want to. I think I'm going to get a little bit darker color. That'll be a little bit better. Okay, now we want to go 6/100 to a percent. Okay, so I'm going to start out by drawing it in blue. I'm just copying this right here. Okay. And I'm not going to put this 0 in here. I could, but I want to make it a percent, so I'm going to do that. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a dotted line here. Because I'm not actually going to put this 0. Because it's a 0, I don't have to put it if I don't want to. But I am going to draw a dotted line. Notice I went 2 places here, and I'm going 2 places here. It's always 2 places. That's important. And I'm going to put a 6 here. And then I'm going to put the percent sign behind it. Okay, so this is 6%. All right, let's do the next one. 30%. I'm going to use blue to indicate going backwards. I'm going to move this one to the tens place and put the 3 in there. And then I'm going to put this one as a dotted line. And I'll go ahead and put it because it's not going to be in the way of anything. Whoops, I forgot to use blue. It's not in the way of anything. And you can write it either way. You could write this as this, or you could just write it as 3/10. Decimal point 3 if you want. So I'll put that in parentheses. Decimal point 3. All right, next one. Okay, I'm going to start out with 6/10. Okay, and I'm going to use my green arrow, and I'm going over 2 place values. I'll put the 6 right there. And then I have to put something here because there's a space there. And this is not 6%, this is 60%. Because a 0 has to go in place there. So this is 60%. Okay, and I got a 3-digit for you. Okay, 300% to a decimal. Okay, so my color code was green for percentage. So I'm going to go ahead and write this out. 300%. Okay, and I am going to move this over 2 places. Now there's a 0 there, so I'm going to write the 3 on top of it. And then I'm going to move these 2 zeros. As a dotted line. Okay, because I can write them or not write them. So this is 3. 3.0. 3 or 3.00, it doesn't matter. Okay, so 300% is 3 as a decimal. Okay, 6 to a percent. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write the decimal in blue. 6.0 is the same thing, so I could put a 0 here if I wanted to. Okay, I'll make it as a dotted line 0 because I could put it or I could not. You can write it as 6 or 6.0. Now again, I'm going to move 2 decimal places. 2 place values, excuse me. 6, 0, and then I'm going to fill in a space here where this was. Okay, so the answer is 600%. So I'll cross that out. And I'll cross out this 0 up here. Thanks a lot. Thanks for suggesting this video. This is great. I appreciate you all.